tough bro. That was a tough intro, bro.
Clank? Clank? Wombax? What is this place? Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone around here has seen him. Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Whoa, almost got smashed, but I'm not gonna lie.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Whoa.
Hey, Montee!
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
Oh, she got
The
Spider-Man eyes.
resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank!
No.
I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
This a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? No. Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
They shot her down like that? That's crazy.
This is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
As you explore the planet, collectibles and other points of interest will be revealed on your map. Highlight an icon and press A to pin it in the game HUD. What do you got?
Bring Mr.
Pretty
Fun Guy
damn.
is the weapon.
The only weapon who has destroyed Little Zircon
3,000, bruh.
and performed at his last birthday party, Mr. Fun Guy. Just throw him out and he will strike your enemies so hard they will have to deal with his antics. Which is the perfect time for you.
I ain't got
So
3,000.
soon?
I don't got 3,000.
100% of the proceeds from your purchases today go directly to
You need to earn the right to praise God.
You told me that faster, man. My BT.
Spybot is here! Eliminate all trespassers with appropriate prejudice!
what the fuck? Telling me I fell through that little ass crack.
Spybot is here! Eliminate all trespassers with appropriate prejudice!
Bro, it's like, where do, where am I supposed to fucking like evade from that shit, bro? I go 8 fucking wide again.
Spybot is here! Eliminate all trespassers with appropriate prejudice!
Stupid. Like, what's up? Oh, like, back the fuck up, you fucking ugly ass red ass. What's up? Oh, bro, I swear I killed him, bro. Oh, see?
Well, look at that.
That's so stupid.
I'm on my way, Clank. I just need to find this Phantom guy first.
I already here, bro. But wasn't it already here, bro? Yeah, I'm literally right here. Wait, what? I need, oh.
Already have an Emperor Nefarious tribute statuette in every room? Consider our new weapons model for guys and captors.
Wait, so I just did a side mission or something? What?
Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom?
Hey, yo.
Is there a Phantom around here?
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Can't believe first mission in forever and my cover's blown.
Phantom? Is Skid? Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names! You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the Resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
I hope you enjoy this public as much as I will. Beware! Gunfire!
Look at you. Come here, boy.
There! The Resistance free from the club!
Not gonna stop me.
Go, go, go. My boy. Oh, my boy. My boy, oh, my boy.
You will not stop us!
That was so close. Let's turn my back.
Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names! You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the Resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
Stupid!
What a lovely day, Sir Emperor Nefarious.
There! The Resistance free from the club!
Friends,
Are you gonna help? Huh? Bro, just standing here. Okay, so it's cool.
Further transgression. To leave you to your
Yo, like,
you are going to... Cover, friend!
There has to be something around here I can use to reach Phantom.
yeah.
Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Hey, wait.
There he is! The
You
football
want me to
from the
know,
club!
You ain't got no hands, it looks like.
Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
The Resistance! Your Resistance ends here! We will prevail!
Yeah.
Now,
Nice
where'd
work,
you go?
new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some
is
kind of
this?
secret handshake?
Is he like-
Hey!
This nigga have turtle
What do I
or
do
something? Like,
with
what the
it?
hell? Whoa.
All right, new guy.
The face
Try
too?
Phantom Dash.
Nah.
Phantom Dash?
You can't catch what doesn't temporarily exist. Jumping.
Oh, that's so tough.
You want to go even further? Jump. Phantom Dash.
Nah, this game is old.
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Stay close.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
Nah, I'll finish the show. I'll probably finish this whole game probably tonight. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm locked. I'm locked. I'm locked, bro. I'm locked.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get
You
into
hear
the
that
various
follow
towers.
button nonsense?
It's the only place
And
in
doing
the city you can
grills. Huh.
find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.